This is a demo of the B0462 Arduino camera, which actually uses a GC2145 chip. And you can see that the frame rate is pretty good as I'm moving my hand across it. Now, the original example code had the image backwards and upside down, so I had to make some changes, and I'll include the code below so that you can see what the changes are, just to get the camera showing right side up. But the image resolution is 640 by 480, which is not the full 800 by 480 of the display. And they've upscaled an image from 320 by 240, so I'm not really sure if we're getting the full image capture here. The actual chip is capable of much higher resolution. It's a 2 megapixel camera, but the example code isn't, I don't think it's really capturing every pixel, and it's really not giving us the opportunity to go 800 by 480. I did set the output display to 800 by 480, and maybe I'll just show what that looks like, but it gives you sort of repeated parts of the image instead of just a wider image. So this is what that looks like. It's got some residual image over on the right hand side of the screen, which doesn't change as I rotate the camera. So it's able to display more than the camera is actually capturing and putting in the frame buffer. This is the section of code that I used to transpose the image from up and down and left to right. So I basically swapped the I variable by subtracting it from its maximum. So 320 minus I equals K. So the K variable is down here, and it's replacing what used to be I. And likewise, I swapped the J by subtracting 240 from it and calling it L. And I substituted L down here in this. This is also a transposition down here where they're upscaling from 320 by 240 to 480 to 640 by 480. So that you need to add these two lines and substitute the L and K variables down here.
Giga R1, capable and fun. It's the best bar none, can't be outdone.